is not a test. It is now dusk and the sun is setting. Monsters will come out shortly. Please prepare to shelter yourself, keep quiet, and turn off the lights. It may be frightening, but it's to ensure your safety and keep them out. These are the features of the monsters tonight. Echolocational yelling. Description: this technique is used to frighten people to reveal their location. Children are the most likely to fall victim to this technique. It is encouraged that your children are within eyesight at all times. It is also encouraged to have them wear noise-canceling devices if they're not yet used to this phenomenon. Next feature: thick hide. There will be some creatures out tonight that will be completely resistant to all physical trauma. This means that there will be nothing you can do to harm these creatures. Attempting will result in death. Next feature: auditorial transference of visual and auditory hallucinations. These creatures have the capability to make you see and hear things that aren't really there. These are often very frightening hallucinations. They can cause cardiac arrest, waking death syndrome, and suicidal thoughts. It is strongly encouraged that everyone everywhere wears an effective noise-canceling device or the effects stated above could occur. This concludes the monster warning for this evening.